Well, Max, we're going to be doing another one of these. I hate starting these. I'm going to teach you how to do a little. Actually, I'm not going to. Is this your least favorite part when you have to record? Listen, everybody, there's a thing in Teams called channels. And what they do is it's like, you know, it's so stupid. Channels. I was on site, on a client site. They say to me, Steve, you know, this Teams conversation thing is really great. How do we stop people from clogging up the conversation with all these different topics? It's too complicated when you put everything in just one conversation. And I said to him, well, hey, there's a built-in feature called channels, which you can create, anyone can create. So when you first create a team, you get a general channel, which is just, you know, your default channel. Go ahead, start having your conversation there. But as you'll notice over time is that different people want to talk about different projects inside of your team. So then what you'll do is create a new channel by clicking on the ellipses here, and you will click Add Channel. And I'm going to name this channel Video Channel, because that's what we're doing. And so now everyone in my team is going to get this new video channel. Is any of this good? Is any of this usable? Even though they can see this video channel, you can set up your own view. You know, all these views don't have to be the same, Max. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to walk over here to my Surface computer. You were just complaining about the keyboard, right? Well, with the Surface, you could just get rid of it by going, yeah! And then, look at that. I got a tablet now, right? Everything's with the magnet. I got my little pen here. Do a little writing. I'm on my Teams. So, like I was saying, you can set up your own view. Even though everyone sees the same channel when you add it, the views are different. So you'll notice that it says 3 more channels here. And if I click on that, it shows the additional channels. So if we go to the business development where I added the video channel, we see that there is a new channel called Video Channel. And if I want this to show up in my other channel view, I'll favorite it by clicking that star. So now it shows up in my view. Let's say you got too many things in your channel view, in your channel list. You got too many topics. Some of the topics you got nothing to do with. Well, just go ahead, click on the channel. You unhighlight that star, or you click on the star, and then that will disappear from at least your favorites list, which is what that is. And then your channel won't, or your team favorites won't be so cluttered. Like the @mention thing, I think I've explained that in other videos. You're gonna, you know, hit the, and it even tells you right here. Some things are in bold, and other things have some notifications on it. So let me just quickly explain that. When you see a bold channel, it just means that someone's typed something new. In order to get one of these numbers or notifications, that means that someone has either mentioned me specifically, or or they've mentioned the channel name, or they've mentioned the team name, and that will give the notification. Well, check this out. Look, it's a magnet. Look at this. Bam. And you're like, oh, well, how's it gonna kickstand, baby? It's got a kickstand like a bike. Not only does creating a channel create a new place for conversations, but it also creates new tabs up there, so you can make new custom tabs, and it also creates a new file library. So if you want to think about it in terms of SharePoint, which I know is no one's fan favorite, but SharePoint is actually what's running the file structure here. So you'll never have to deal with the actual SharePoint application as long as you use Teams. All your files, all your sharing, it's going to be all done here. But when you create a new channel, or you utilize the different channels, they're basically subfolders of your general team. So yeah, Teams on any surface, really cool. Take it with you. Like, where you want to go? You want to go to the cafe, Max?
Yeah.
Let's go to the cafe. Here, I'm gonna walk over here. Look, just a little bistro. We got a little bistro action going on here, right? You got all that. And so look, I'm gonna talk to my team. I'm gonna say, hey, oh, it's in tablet mode, but so hi there.